Welcome to Roots in Unity. We are bringing you the untold hidden stories of Asian continent. And today, with this very first episode, I, Syed, and my partner Amina brings you the story of the Malay Archipelago. And we are narrating the story of Malay Archipelago from the 1800s. So 1800s, long back ago, the world was with full of secrets. And a man, and his name Alfred Russel Wallace, set off a journey from England to the Asian continent. And he was with much curiosity to know more about the Malay Archipelago. So where is this Malay Archipelago? The Malay Archipelago is simply the islands of Indonesia, the country of Malaysia, the country of Singapore, the country of Philippines. All these together, if we look around the Asia mainland and Australia, we can see 20,000 plus islands. And Mr. Wallace set off his journey exploring the southern portion of the Malay Archipelago between 1854 and 1862. So I don't know how many of you would have heard about Alfred Russel Wallace, but you should definitely know about him more. And we are introducing him to you as an adventure explorer. He was more than that because he also played a major role in establishing the theory of evolution through natural selection. Let it be there about Alfred Wallace, but we are going to tell you more about what is so special about the Malay Archipelago. The Malay Archipelago, as Mr. Wallace described, this is a land of secrets that is not known to the common Englishman. Why? Because the reason is actually this was during the time of the colonization that was happening around various parts of the globe, and the Malay Archipelago itself was colonized by the English colonizing powers in one way or another. At the very same time, the Englishmen were also very eager to know about the diverse nature, landscape, ecosystem, geography, and geological evolution of this region. And when Alfred Russel Wallace came to the Malay Archipelago, he said that he saw the big flower, the Rafflesia. He saw the birds flying with colorful feathers like the birds similar to the birds we may see in the paradise. And also he said he saw a creature somewhat similar like the man, but not really a man, but a version of man, maybe in the past, the orangutans. That was the excitement Mr. Russell had. Similarly, we are also excited to tell the story of the Malay Archipelago, and it is very important for we, the Asians, to know more about our continent and tell to the world about why Asia matters. Be tuned for the upcoming episodes, and if you like the way I narrate, if you have some criticism, please be very open, spread it out in the comments, or send a personal message, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.